Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, ISHRE, Mumbai chapter, gives lot of technical inputs to the members who are associated with ISHRE. Like Mr. Tirupati Naik has given an lecture on AutoCAD 3D. He has also given lectures on AutoCAD 2D previously, so hope everyone has got benefited from that particular event. And from ISHRE Mumbai chapter, I would like to thank Mr. Tirupati Naik for considering our request and giving the enlightening presentation on AutoCAD 3D. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Jayant sir, for allowing the ISHRE Mumbai chapter for delivering on AutoCAD HPC software. That's AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So I really enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for permitting me and allowing, and I'm so honored at ISHRE. Thank you so much, sir.